Latest on the PSL News bafethu nyamazi-ke Umuzo Muhle Khanyi. Umuzo Muhle Khanyi kulabo bangamazi umdlali lo udlalela iHungry Lions. Udlalela iHungry Lions right now uphethe iGolden Boots. Uphethe iGolden Boots ngestriker escore amagoli amaningi. Istriker lesi esifuna amaclub amaningi but ke iStellenbosch sikwazile ukuyithola esaningi yakhe umjida. Yabo mephela isizini nje uzoyijoin iStellenbosch. But ke before ngidlule la ngifuna uku-eda yabo kule ndaba le yalomdlalo. Umuzo Muhle Khanyi is one of the strikers ebefuna iOrlando Pirates last season. Yabo i-striker lesi abaningi bebejothi sojoin iOrlando Pirates. Yabo many people thought Orlando Pirates were keeping tabs on this player, but ke right now Stellenbosch FC are looking to sign this guy because it looks like ibona abafike ne-offer yabo phezu kwetafula. Ibona abafike ne-offer and umjida looks to join Stellenbosch FC. And lento le ngiyayiquestiona kakhulu kahle i-mindset yalama team lawa big kudala njengo Kaizer Chiefs no Orlando Pirates. Kahle ithini mindset yalama teams because iStellenbosch mesimthenga lo mdlalo sizomthenga ajoine iStellies. Mase joinile iStellies uzoshisa kwiStellies. Mase iStellies sayiraise iprice yakhe. Mase siyiraise iprice yakhe lama team lawo azofuna ukumthenga ahluleke ukumthenga mase kufika iSundowns imthenge kwiStellies. Mase kuthiwa iSundowns isebenzisa imali, iSundowns iyabheda warawara. Angazi noma umina yena uyibonayo leyo iyabheda lento eyenziwa ilama team lawa siwasupportayo. Yabo mina njengoba ngisupport Orlando Pirates iyona ebilide ekumsayineni lo mjida. Yabo njengoba delete nje kumsayineni it's like they were caught sleeping. They were caught sleeping because the guy wanted to play top flight football. The team he was playing for, the Hungry Lions, it doesn't look like they will reach EPSL anytime soon. It doesn't look like bazodlala kuBetway anytime soon. So he need a team azoyijoina team edlala le Africa. Yabo. So iStellies came with an offer. Stellies ibonile bafethi idlala kahle iziyafika kuma semi-final eCAF Confed. So umjida ubonile ukuthi iteam le ekahle, iteam le engamsethela ama heights are right ku career yakhe. Yabo there are many talented players asebesukile kwiStellies. Yabo. So lama team lawa mefuna ukucompete neMamelodi Sundowns. I know it's really hard to sign abadlali abasuka lezi anti. But iStellies mase sikwenza lokho. Siyakwenza lokho sithene labadlali into stars. They turn these players into stars, and when mase bebadayisela iSundowns fit nesa complain as ama fans sometimes kumele siyibheke into esiyicomplain la. Ngifuqa amanga, I was really disappointed same as uPasadena. uPasadena was playing for iSwallows. Pasadena was playing for iSwallows. There is no team ecabanga ukumthenga, but iStellies yaqhamuka yamthenga wadlalela iStellies. Manje nje bese esefuna iSundowns. Many teams are complaining. But ke ngidlule kuMuzo Muhle Khanyi. Namhlanje bafana ikhiphe iprelim squad. Njokhishwa iprelim squad nje baningi abadlali esibabonile abasithusile ukuthi hayibo nalo ubiziwe yabo abadlali nje engazama ukuhighlightela bona ababiziwe ababizwa uHugo Bros. Le squad lesi sodlalelwa nama games lawo esiwadlala against iTanzania. Sengikhohliwe ukuthi yipe lenye iCountry but ungangitshela ama comments yabo labadlali laba bazodlala. Yabo into enginotisile kule squad lesi abekho abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns. Uma ukhumbula kahle abadlali beSundowns bayahamba bayodlala kwiClub World Cup. Yabo nje bayodlala kwiClub World Cup ngeke babe involved with these games. Njengoba ubona nje lapha goalkeeper oqala uDarren Johnson, ugoalkeeper lo weChippa United. Yabo abadlali abanjengo Yanela Mbuthuma, abadlali abanjengo Keegan Allen, abadlali abanjengo Fezile Gcaba, abadlali abanjengo Yusuf Mati. uYusuf Mati ke sekwayidlalela bafana before but wayidlala kwiCOSAF. Abadlali abanjengo Mduduzi Shabalala. Yabo abadlali nje abaningi la ababiziwe abangakaze bayidlalela bafana before. Even Muhawunkota ubiziwe naye. Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Yabo but ke le squad lesi sisazohlungwa kahle. Yabo sisazohlungwa kahle le squad lesi kubizwe labadlali laba bazohamba nayo Hugo Bros bayodlala ama friendly games. Yabo it's only 2 games. Yabo it's only 2 games. Even ime okona ubiziwe bafethu. I'm really surprised ukumbona Phuso Ditsejane umfana ubiziwe futhi noYanela Mbuthuma. So yangijabulisa ukubona abafana bangakazi babizwe before. Even uMbokazi noMhawunkota they really put italent labo. Yabo italent labo balibekile obala for Hugo Bros ukuthi ababize. Yabo lento lezo qoquzela abadlali abaningi kuBetway ukuthi badlale kangcono khona bezobizwa Hugo Bros. Kuyangijabulisa kakhulu. Ungangitshela ukuthi ubani okuthusile ongambonanga kule squad lesi esibiziwe. Yabo but ke for me uMakhalwa, I was really surprised not seeing uMakhalwa kule squad. Why uMakhalwa ungabizanga kwezinye zeindaba? Umdlali weOrlando Pirates abamsayina kwiBaroka FC uGositsile bafethu will remain kwiBaroka for the upcoming season. I mean yabo isizini elandelayo 2025 to 2026 season ngiyazi ayijoin iOrlando Pirates fast cha uzohlala nje lapha kwiBaroka. I'm not happy with this, angifuqamba. The reason why ngekho happy ukukhumbula kahle, we signed Monapule Saling, simsayina kwini na, samsayina ku Free State Stars, samthatha samjoinisa ini iSwallows FC. iSwallows yayidlala vele kuBetway Premiership, yabo yayidlala vele kuBetway Premiership. Why are we loaning this player back to his parent club edlala le eZansi kwiNFD? It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense because lapha eZansi ayikho ipressure eningi azoyithola compared to le pressure le ekhona kwiBetway Premiership. Betway Premiership, one of the toughest leagues ever. Yabo umfana kumele ngabe semlone kwiclub ekhona la kwiBetway, maybe Chippa United, yabo maybe AmaZulu, maybe iGolden Arrows, ama team vele akhona la kwiBetway. Maye simlona le umfana kwiBaroka, angazi noma yimi obhedayo lapho. Mhlawumbe ungangitshela wena ama comments, is it a good thing ukuthi uGositsile simlone back to iBaroka, or kwezinye zeindaba ezenzakalile namhlanje iCAF Champions League iinvele itrophy yayo entsha. Trophy yayo entsha bafethu, ungangitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale trophy? For me yibuka inhle kakhulu, yabo isinkulu manje isiyabambeka. iCAF Champions League trophy yakudala incane kakhulu, ngiyibona inhle le, yabo ngiyibona inhle kakhulu compared to le Betway. Kwezinye zeindaba engayithandanga bafethu, umdlali weOrlando Pirates bafethu uRaseboja uthethole iinjury enkulu. Sethole injury bafethu uRaseboja ubhalile la message uthi devastated to have torn my ACL, but I'm immensely grateful for a very successful surgery. Yabo recovery time, yabo ngenzeka kubu 6 months njengoba ibhalile la, ngenzeka kubu 6 months. Asazi ukuthi izothatha isikhathi esingakanani, but ke umjida mfethu uye esibhedlela uyoshaya isurgery mfethu, uthone iACL. Yabo niyayazi ke le injury le ithatha isikhathi singakanani, ithatha isikhathi eside. Yabo abadlali abaningi ngempela ama careers abo awabi right uma bebina le injury. Yabo when they come back akufana kuqala mfuqama. So ngempela ukulimala lo mjida kuzosibuyisela emuva kancane, but ke yena vele ubengadlali. Yabo should be told umjida ubengadlali, bengayithola game time, but ukulimala kwakhe we cannot just let go of ama midfielders as now right now, because management iplana ukudedela abadlali abaningi ebombe kuphela isizini. So when we let go of ama midfielders adlalelayo right now, we must look at the players esoba nabo. Raseboja umdlali vele lo obese hlalile kulo Pirates, useyazi vele ukumele kwenziweni. Yabo mhlawumbe ukuba khona kwakhe bekuzosiza mestedela abadlali abadala esingesabasebenzisa eswini. Yabo uyane ubezowazi ukuthi kwenziwane eswini. Manje mesodedela kuzoba inkinga. I feel like uma igol team benawo amakhehleni, they need unyaka owodwa. Yabo bawu2 badinga nje unyaka owodwa ngama contract yabo, i-team management izame ukuba yabo ukubagcina for nje lo nyaka nje. Yabo leyo season A1, yabo just umjidi uthi a recover kahle, nalabajida labasobathenga abasha bathole iexperience khona la kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo